Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this paper for leaf clover. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 20 by 20, and in next step you need to divide this paper on 4 equal parts. And we'll start by folding one piece of paper. If you have paper that has color on one side and it's white on the other, then you will start with the white side facing up. And first we'll fold our paper on half. Now you will open it and we will fold this line again to the center line that we just folded. Like this. And once we have it, we'll turn our paper around and we will fold our paper here again in half. So just turn it around and fold it down. Once you have it, you will open your paper and will bring this side to the middle line. It's like we were folding a heart. It's the same step on one side, and again on the other side bring this side to the center line. Just like this. Now we'll turn our paper around and we'll fold this point to the upper line. Like this. And press it down. Now we'll turn our paper over, so we'll flip it. And here we have pockets. You just slide your finger in and try to align this upper line with this line down. So adjust it, and once you have it, press it down. And the same on the other side. So open the pocket and press the middle down so it is aligned with this line, like this. Now we will fold this point down with this line, so just down like triangle so that we have a point. Align it with line here. The same on this side, so fold a triangle. And in next step, we'll also fold this point to this line here. Just like this. And do the same on the other side. So just fold it to the line like this. Now we'll fold this side of the paper into the center line. And press it down. And do the same with the other side. So bring it to the center. Just like this. And if we turn it around, we folded a heart, and if we fold the same 3 pieces like this, then we will have 4 hearts or 4 parts of our leaf clover. So we will fold the rest of the paper now. So we have our first piece, our second piece, our third piece, and also our fourth piece. And now we'll combine them together. You can also take a glue and glue them together, but otherwise you just slide one piece of paper under here in the pocket. So slide it in and adjust it so it's in the middle. And again, take the next one, slide it in one pocket like this. And if you want the last one to hold it, don't just slide it like this, but slide it in one pocket. and try to slide the first one that we folded in this pocket, just like this. And now just adjust it. So slide it in like this. And just like that, we made our paper 4-leaf clover. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. But until next time, bye!